If you want to change the lock screen clock on OPPO Reno 15, what you can do is you can go to settings on your phone. There we go. Now over here in settings, choose home screen, lock screen and style. And before we start customizing the lock screen clock, what you can do is you can, for example, use any of these different themes that we have in here, because as you can see, these different themes provide you different styles for a clock. So you might want to start with that. Of course, then you can change the wallpaper and make some adjustments, including some changes to the clock itself. But let's actually focus on the standard clock that we have, for example, in here. In this case, if you tap on the lock screen, then you can also tap on the clock itself. You can, for example, provide additional information. You can change the style for the clock over here. We can also change the font. We can use a different font style. You can also move left and right in here below in order to make the font thicker or thinner. And also we have some changes to the color, so you can apply a different color if you want to do so. And there we go, that is pretty much it. Remember to use the apply button here in the upper right corner once you are done with all your changes. Leave a like and subscribe.